It took the Parkland shooter 3 minutes to enter the high school, prepare his AR-15, and pull the fire alarm, but only seconds to shower a hallway and 4 classrooms with over 100 rounds that killed 14 immediately and wounded 20 more. Only Seconds is a virtual reality open space awareness application that allows you to safely practice the steps necessary to secure your classroom and keep your virtual students safe under realistic conditions, including the opportunity to judge for yourself if accessing and using a weapon is a realistic means of protecting you and your students. Only Seconds will be available as a free application for educational institutions and policymakers in helping shape effective procedures and training. It will be available this summer in preparation of the 2018-2019 school year.